Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you
Anil.
is the video clear today?
Yes, sir. Video is very clear.
Okay. You can see this Deepak Nitrite. This script
Yes, sir.
has been one of the top analysts in India. He is charging about 8 lakhs rupees for the training mentorship. And it seems he is showing that this item has been captured in BTST, right? BTST may always be risky
Right.
because it may run opposite to what you have done. Sometime it may be correct, sometime it may be wrong. But here we are getting real time with confirmation.
Hmm.
So
With oscillator confirmation is there.
that is one. Number two, we have also got the short, but in his system he cannot get short. Number one, he doesn't get a signal, he doesn't get a scanner. He is just seeing chart setup. He's doing by the setup, which again is okay, not bad. We are having setup as well as the signal system, which automatically senses beforehand that the item to will. Now the question is we have to have this in the watch list. If we don't have the in the watch list, then it may be a different issue, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
So the software is able to capture all both up and down. And if you see, he has got it yesterday at what price? I don't remember, but we got it at the early. If you now see
So
the
sometime your voice is not clear.
not clear, is it not loud?
Sometime volume up and down is there continuously. Sometime up and sometime down.
Now the volume. Now you see. Now the volume should be okay.
Same. Sometime the volume is high and same time is again low.
No, I have adjusted the mic before so that it should be okay. Now, if you look at this on a daily basis, right,
Okay.
you would get this
Right.
signal much earlier. See, here is the signal. At what is the price?
Yes, sir.
1626. Whereas he is getting a signal at what price? Here, 1784. Our signal is more than 100 rupees advance. See, he got the signal somewhere here when it broke,
Yes, sir.
right? And he booked the profit here, probably. So, but our signal has come much earlier because we will be doing it in 5 or 10 minutes. So we will catch it early. Plus, in our EOD, the signal has come at 100 rupees before this. So naturally, you can imagine the power of the software. It catches. See, everybody in world will give you a software on mostly on breakout after it has traveled quite a lot. It has broken out a particular resistance. That means highest resistance and all that. Whereas
Yes.
our software, the advantage is it catches this move before it has happened. When it is likely to happen at the start of that, it is catching the software. That is the difference. And that is the
Yes,
major
sir.
difference.
Yes.
That is the major difference. Why? Because after happening, you can see it in NSE India. Why do you need any software? But can you trade anything with the NSE India or what the CNBC or G is telling? No, you can't trade anything.
No, no.
After it, the head and shoulder is shoulders are being, but we are catching at the head and the leg. See,
Yes, sir.
this software is catching at the almost near
Buying at the
top and bottom.
yes, sir.
At the top and
Yes,
bottom.
sir.
That is the difference. See, even for the option, one of our new friend from airlines, Anilji. Anilji,
Yes, sir.
you talked about the catching of a software, the option. So I had kept the option there. You can see it here. You would have caught it at 50. What is the price here? 36 rupees. And this 36 rupees Nifty has become 125 or say 130 you could have exited. So from here, say 40 rupees to 130 30 rupees. So almost 3 times.
सर मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि ये सॉफ्टवेयर में स्कैन नहीं होते मेरे स्कैनर। अभी भी सिर्फ आज पूरे दिन मॉर्निंग में था।
स्कैन होगा, स्कैन
हाउ टू
होगा। आपको वॉच लिस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा सेपरेटली। आप ऑप्शन के लिए सेपरेट वॉच लिस्ट बनाइए। ऑप्शन की सीरीज क्या करिए कि निफ्टी के अंदर 150 पॉइंट्स अबोव 150 पॉइंट्स बिलो कीप पुट
सर
ऑप्शन,
आज मैं हाँ
put option and upside call option, and bank nifty 300 to 500 point upside, 300 to 500 point downside, put option and call option. Make a separate watch list along with bank nifty and nifty. So if you scan that with the different scanner which I have given, option scanner is there, so you will get only buy signal, not sell signal in that. If you want buy and sell both, then you trade in
नो
the
नो आई ओनली वांट द बाय सिग्नल, ओनली द
yes,
बाय सिग्नल, नॉट द सेलिंग।
I have provided you a software. You please see that.
टुडे आई एम चेकिंग। मैंने आज सुबह सर बहुत चेक करा लेकिन मुझसे स्कैन नहीं हो पाया ये।
नहीं हो जाएगा, मैं दिखा देता हूँ। ये लो देखो, just see. Now see this. I will show it to you. Where do I keep this toolbar? This. Okay, I keep it here. Now I'll show you the scale. Today there are not many people because most of them are either not well or out or something like that. So you see here in the pick, you go in the pick and select
या
select the scanner which is for option. Option buy scanner is given to you. Yeah, this one is there. Option buy.
यस सर ऑप्शन बाय।
Right now in here
Yes.
define you have to keep the watch list of options. So watch list of option here in my case it is I named it as a weekly option. See this one here, right?
ठीक, ओके ओके, राइट राइट सर दिस।
You have to keep separate watch list, and then you go for say 10 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. 10 minutes you better go. 10 minutes time frame. Then we will see what we get. Right. So now we scan it. Just press the scan. You have got so many scans now, and that too we have get many items. It is not advisable to keep too many things
या
because
सर
yes.
जो पॉइंट मैं आज मिस कर रहा था वो डिफाइन के अंदर वॉच लिस्ट करना नहीं आ रहा था, क्योंकि डिफाइन का भी प्रोसेस अब पता लगा कि डिफाइन नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से।
डिफाइन का और क्या आपको प्रॉब्लम था बताइए।
सर जैसे मैंने डिफरेंट चार्ट खोले हैं इसके, बैंक निफ्टी के मतलब चार चार्ट खोले हैं, तो अलग अलग टाइम फ्रेम उसमें कैसे सेलेक्ट होगा? जैसे मैंने स्क्रीन पे चार चार्ट 4 चार्ट्स उनमें अलाइन कर दिए कॉर्नर्स में।
वो तो आप टाइम फ्रेम केवल राइट क्लिक करके और चार्ट के ऊपर टाइम चेंज कर दो इंट्राडे से। राइट क्लिक करके देखो ये जैसे ये राइट क्लिक किया, इंट्राडे में गए। इंट्राडे में गए कि whatever time you require, I have told you what time to be kept and which scanner, what time and how many script that I have given in the note also. So you please read that, you have to follow that. You can't do anything what you like and what you don't like, because the system what I am telling is tried, tested and proven. So all your headaches are over here by following the system. Suppose I have said gold, for future gold 1 hour scanning to be done in 50 or 80 items, then you should do in that only. You can lower the number of items, but you can't increase the number of items. You can add 1 or 2 items, that is a different issue. But what I am saying is, you instead of 50 items, you can't go to 150 or 60 items all future. If you go there, if you increase the number of script, then you increase the time period of the scanner. I have given you in the writing, the more is the number of scripts, higher should be the time frame of the scanning. That means if you are keeping 350 stocks, you should trade. You should scan only on daily or weekly basis. I'll show you. You can. There is no bar that you can't increase the number of script. You can, but time frame proper you have to select for the particular. Which I have given you a table also. I have given you a table also.
Yeah.
So you can just suppose I am keeping in define 325, 360 items. See, 360. Where is this 360? Yeah, this is here 360, right? So actual items are 353 in this list. So then I should go for yellow. I can't scan it in option. See, I have to select a suitable scanner for this, which is yellow, and then suitable time, which is daily for larger number of items, daily or weekly. So I go for daily, right? And then I scan it. Simple as that. That's all.
अब अब क्लियर हुआ है सर, वो डिफाइन का ऑप्शन नहीं पता था मुझे कि डिफाइन में जाके
देखिए
सिलेक्ट
स्कैन
करते
कर
हैं
रहा,
मैच
देखिए
लिस्ट।
स्कैन कर रहा, right? So
राइट राइट सर।
like this, I've got another scanner done. Real robot, right? Now you see here. This is something very good. Let me see. See, this is something very good. This I have designed today.
दिस इज ए न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर सर।
Yes, yes. This is new strategy which I have designed today for more for investment reasons, but it can be used for others also. See, here the beauty is
ओके
you will get less output, but at the beginning of the move, most likely. See here in Deepak Nitrate, I will see. Is Harsh there? Harsh is there? Participants. Acha, you and me. Nobody is there today.
या
Uh-huh. No, but this Akshay was telling he's coming, and others. Please give me ID and password. Oh my God, he is asking ID and password. He is asking ID and password.
द आईडी एंड पासवर्ड द सेम व्हिच आर
Same,
yesterday or day before।
same ID, password. Just zoom and see. What about that Sajid? Sajid may be on duty this time. He is not there. He may be on duty. And Abhishek will not. Nepal is not joining. I have not joining. What is the other question? I will then clarify all your points because others are not there now.
सर माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज
Hmm.
सर जब जैसे हम एमी फेट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसमें बैकफिल ऑटोमेटिक होता है या हमें वो वॉच लिस्ट जो हमने उसमें बनाई है उसमें क्लिक करके सबको
कुछ कुछ
बैकफिल करना होता है।
कुछ नहीं करना, आपको राइट क्लिक करके दोनों को स्टार्ट कर देना है बस। बैकफिल
सर योर वॉइस
ऑलरेडी, आपको बैकफिल स्टार्ट करके अपने आप
बैकफिल ऑटोमेटिक
ऑटोमेटिक होगा, कुछ भी नहीं करना। बैकफिल ऑटोमेटिक
अगेन
है इसमें।
वॉइस डिस्टरबेंस आ गया सर।
नाउ इज इट क्लियर?
यस सर क्लियर।
हेलो हेलो, अरे हर्ष मीटिंग नहीं अटेंड कर रहे क्या?
मैंने एक्चुअली मैसेज नहीं देखा कि थोड़ा मैं काम कर रहा था ना, मैं करता हूँ, अभी ज्वाइन करता हूँ। अभी चालू है क्या?
हाँ, पापा को बोलो जरा, वो दीपक नाइट्राइट का बोल रहे थे, उनको चार्ट देखो मैंने लगा के रखा है स्क्रीन के ऊपर, दोनों साइड बाई और सेल है, उससे पहले आया उससे ज्यादा पॉइंट मिलता है।
ओके,
उनको बोलो जरा, देखेंगे अभी उसको और मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे।
पापा जरा नीचे का है सर, मैं चालू करता हूँ, जैसे ही वो आते हैं उनको बोलता हूँ।
और तुम स्कैन का फोटो ले लेना, उसमें लेके उनको दिखा देना।
चलेगा। ओके,
जल्दी ज्वाइन करो, जल्दी ज्वाइन करो। हेलो, हाँ जी, हाँ जी बोलिए।
यस सर।
What was your other question?
सर वही बैकफिल वर्क मतलब
ना
बैकफिल
ना ना बैकफिल कुछ नहीं करना,
एमी फीड स्टार्ट करना तो बैकफिल ऑटोमेटिक होगा ना?
ऑटोमेटिक एमी ब्रोकर ऑटोमेटिक होगा. मेक
ओके सर.
श्योर दैट कमल ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम इज स्टार्टेड बिफोर एंड first start Kamal trading system, right click and run as admin, then right click on any feed and start as admin, and the charts will automatically open, the back will automatically take place. You don't have to do anything. Whichever watch list you are supposed to use, you put it for the scanning, and the time period you must follow what I have given in the list. The more the number of script,
Yeah.
higher the number of leaves, higher should be the time frame. For gold, the maximum is 80 numbers or 82 numbers or 51, but preferably 50, because it is difficult for an individual to handle so many items. Today, of course, the items were less output was there in the morning, so one could control it. Otherwise, it may be difficult. But the other risk is there if you are keeping less number of items. Good items which have come in the scanner will not appear because you have not put that watch list for scanning. That may also happen. So you can try with 80. If you get more, you select the first good one and then enter. There is no necessity that you should immediately do everything to get fast. Which first item you should do first. You should quickly put it on on the chart and see which item is more with less stop loss, meeting all the maximum condition. Only in that item you enter. Maybe it takes a delay of 2 minutes. It doesn't matter. The main purpose is stop loss should be, risk should be minimum, and the reward should be more than 3, 4,
Yes, sir.
something like that. It should be a small candle to start with. It should
Yes,
be
sir.
open is equal to low almost, not necessarily exactly point by point, but more or less so. The first candle should be really very bullish, and it should have happened after consolidation. That means your blue staircase and white staircase should come nearby, so that the chances of getting a big target is there in that.
Big movement is there.
Movement is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Then trend line
This
crossing.
funda is clear to me.
The trend line crossing is also very important. If it crosses nothing like that, that's why I provided this small Bollinger Band, also dotted lines. The Bollinger Band shows the consolidation period. That is, it is within the band, and once it breaks the band after consolidation, means good a big move is expected. So this is how you got a big move here, right from 1770 or so. You will have got the scanner in a smaller time frame. This target is hit here, and up it has gone to 1870, almost 100 points it was giving. Now it is a different issue in our list. 80
Yes,
we
sir,
have not
yes.
kept this Deepak Nitrate because it has been recently added to the FNO list. So you put this Dr. Peth Lab and Gujarat Gas, etc. They will also come. Whenever it meets the condition, they will come. You get my point?
Yes, sir.
Harsh,
Yes, sir. I get your point.
Harsh, you can see this Deepak Nitrate.
Yes, sir.
The Deepak Nitrate that Bombay mentor analyst, what is his name? I forgot. He is watching our video regularly nowadays.
Acha, yeah, right.
Malkan's view. See,
Yeah.
they are all theoretical. They don't have a signal system. So
Okay.
they will try to verify it in monthly, weekly, daily, and show you the script which has met all the conditions. They will not show you the condition, the chart which will fail the condition. But we don't do that. We take all the script and find out which one is meeting the condition. And if it is meeting the condition, then we take it. So his Deepak was BTST, right? That means here,
Right.
this. But whereas in our case, it could have gone down also. Who knows? It is consolidating. So when we get a scan
Right.
like this, then we are more sure about this trade. And in our case, the target is of 100 points, not a small this thing here. And then we have got the reverse trade also today, 100 points. Whereas he will not get this in any case. in whatever method he does, because he is going to see monthly chart, then weekly chart, and where is in monthly and weekly it is going to come. It is not going to come even in daily, but in hourly it is coming. And if you see this chart on a on daily basis, see our buy signal is much earlier, 100 points even earlier than this. So we could have got the target first here of about 100 points extra. And then we could have got this target also as per our setup when this has come here, right? So another 100 point here. Then we could have got this reverse. Although it is not signal has not come. Signal might come in some of the other scanners. We can look into it, or other time frame. And then you have got yesterday and today also in hourly.
Right.
See, the difference is between any of these analysts in India or abroad is they are catching after it has broken certain levels. That means they will say head and shoulder break, double top break, right? So from head to shoulder, you are already losing, and this system is catching right at the head. So you are getting lot of benefit up to the shoulder itself. Why it is
Right.
why it is happening is because the other parameters are also included in our case, which gives the strength, so that you are more confident that even at the top or near the bottom, your things are likely to materialize and give you profit with low risk. In their case, the risk will be very high. You see the stop losses, how much is? I heard his video about 2-3 days back also. One video he was telling that I was broke totally. I lost so heavily, but my family supported. They said we should do it, and then we arranged some money, and then we started doing, and now I am doing well. So that type of situation should not come, na?
Right.
See, he has trained at least about 20,000-30,000 people.
Right.
And he will always have 30-40 people batch going on in Bombay with 8 lakhs of charges, about 8 lakhs, I think. Charging about 8 lakhs. You remember it? 8 lakhs and 6-8 months time you have to give to him.
Oh.
Yes. Because he will go from basics, candle, and then Bollinger Band, and then RSI, and then, all other indicators. There are 160 indicators available, or even more than that now. So what is the use of all that? Ultimately, you have to catch near the bottom where the strength lies, and exit at an appropriate target level, which all we are having. Our system is giving it. You see this option, it is giving 3 times price today. 40 rupees around buy, and your target is here 126. So 3 times. You can run the scanner.
Right.
We have run the scanner also. You can. And even the cash one, we have developed this cash one also. You can see it here today. See this Gati pie here. You can see this arrow here.
Yes.
This arrow 128.6. So 129 or so it has come, and then it has gone to how much? You see 150. 129 to 160, 150. That is about 21 rupees, or I say, let us take 20 rupees, it has gone. And the chances are it will further move and hit the target. Even if when the market was bad today. It is catching right at the bottom. You can see the other item also, Jay Prakash. I think it was at circuit till the last. And I purchased this item today in cash.
Okay.
Around 9 rupees you could enter, and it is already 10.6. That means it has given 15% return. What more you want? It has hit the target, and the return is almost about more than 10%. I mean, maybe 15%. Entry at 9 o'clock, 9 rupees, and the closing is 10.15. So 1 rupee 50 paisa on 10 rupees is almost 15%. No?
Yes.
And you just see it here. It has the buy signal has also come here at the bottom, 7 rupees 20 paisa, 22 paisa. So where is 722 and where is this? In about uh, 15 days or 20 days, it has given you almost 50% return. Am I right?
That's amazing.
So
Yeah.
we are catching at the bottom, no, at the top. So you see, if you extend the trend line, it will confirm you the same. Right at the bottom, you are catching. Here, this trend line has also crossed. And then this was your first target. And then it has hit the target. Then it has come back. And then again, on the trend line, it has taken the support and moved up. You see the oscillator here? So again, you could have got it, having known this. And today, of course, the signal has also come. Like this, you have the other item also. There was a news in Bombay going on today, which HCC will go up. So HCC should buy. We have HCC buy here. See HCC buy here in our system. The news was that buy at about 9 or 10 rupees. But here our buy is 8 rupees approximately. You can see the signal here at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
It is at 8
Yes.
rupees. 8 rupees.
Right.
Yes, sir. Nearby 8.
I got the news from Bombay that HCC should be bought at about yesterday's news. That means yesterday it was here. 11 rupees, around 11 rupees. So I sent them back this scanner. I said, where is 8 rupees? Where is the 11 rupees? Hell of a lot of difference. It's almost 50% difference. Then you have got your decal. Decal is sell, of course. Crompton also buy. You can see this also. Right from bottom it has come 412 to 429. In spite of market so much fall, these scripts have not fallen. They are still in profit, good profit. This of course has not maintained, but it has already almost hit the target from day point of view. Because here the buy has come much earlier. See, the buy has come here, 888 on the yellow scanner. On the yellow scanner, it is 888. And today it has touched almost 988, 975, 100 rupees. Then your India Bull Housing. India Bull Housing is sell, of course, not buy. This is sell, that means the buy is exited. But the buy was here earlier. Of course, it did not maintain. The next day it has come down and then it has again gone up. When the oscillator is green, oscillator signal, if you are following, about to follow, you could have got the good profit. Then your Infibeam has come sell, but I am not selling it. I am holding this for delivery. I am holding it for 2-3 years for it to double at least, because we have purchased here 45. I purchased actually 45, 46. So we are holding it. It went to 52. We did not sell it. 54, 55. We are not interested in selling this. This is a long-term holding, and Crompton I have not taken. Then I'll tell you what other. This Thyrocare sell, because Thyrocare was buy much earlier. See here, Thyrocare was buy this day, 3 days back, and it has hit the target, this blue dotted line. Now it is coming exit for this. Okay. Anilji, what is your other question? Hers, what you have some question, Hers?
No, sir.
Sir, your voice is not clear again. Thyrocare.
Voice not clear.
Hello.
Are you able to hear now?
Hello.
You are not able to hear?
Hello.
हाँ जी. Add to unmute. अच्छा. Add to unmute. Ask one more. Your Akshay, you can unmute and ask it. Akshay. Akshay. You can ask if there is any question. Hello. You can ask any question. अनिल जी आपको कुछ पूछना है? हेलो
सर कल मार्केट ऊपर खुलेगा कि नीचे?
ये हमारा काम नहीं है, हम तो जानते ही नहीं मार्केट किधर खुलेगा। जिधर खुलेगा खुलने दो, अपने को क्या है, अपने को बाई भी आएगा सेल भी आएगा। पर क्यों टेंशन लेना, मार्केट किधर खुलेगा फिर वो प्रेडिक्ट करना, अननेसेसरी लेके बैठ जाना, जरूरत नहीं है ना, जरूरत नहीं है।
सर
नॉट हाँ
सर अपोलो हॉस्पिटल का डेली का चार्ट लगाओ ना।
हाँ लो लगाते हैं, हाँ ऐसा बोलो ना। अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में अभी भी पोजीशन है क्या तुम्हारा?
मैंने नीचे सपोर्ट पे लिया है।
हाँ दैट्स वेरी गुड।
तो मेरे को जस्ट लाइक ये देखो यहाँ पे जो ग्रीन लाइन पे टच हुआ ना।
हाँ 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 यहाँ लिया है क्या?
यस यस यस।
यहाँ लिया तो तुम यू आर इन प्रॉफिट ओनली, एंड इफ टुमारो इट ओपन्स अबव देन इट विल गो अप, बट द ऑसिलेटर इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग माय डियर।
Okay.
Oscillator is not strong na, in neither direction. See here, this one crossover.
But when we will buy on support, after that only it will go up na?
No, not necessarily. Your this thing is also coming here na. Here it is all right. You see crossover was there, clear. This was going up. This is for the support na, reverse. Here it has come reverse.
Right.
So not that we should avoid this stock, but this is not a negative. Why? Because there is a hammer type doji here, and after that it has crossed and closed above the momentum line, taking the support here. So your your entry is all right. You are not knowing now how the market will behave as it has happened in the afternoon, isn't it?
Right.
So this is all right. What else you are holding the position now?
I have Escort.
Escorts. Wait a minute. Let me see. Escorts. That Adani Enterprises, Adani Port, it is over.
Sorry.
Adani Port has been booked.
Wait, let me ask. Adani Ports book karya?
90 रुपए पे बुक किया।
Yes, sir. Papa is booked at 90 rupees.
90 rupees क्या? अच्छा।
Yes.
हाँ हाँ।
फोन भी किया नहीं और फोन उठाया नहीं। करण को फोन करके बुलाना पड़ा। महेश पाटिल को खुला बोल देना भाई नहीं आने वाला तो फोन क्यों नहीं किया?
मैंने आपको कहा था ना, आप घंटा भर का देख के देखो।
अर्जेंटली करण को बुलाना पड़ा।
Sir, just a second. I'm calling.
वो दीपक नाइट्रेट देखो।
यस सर।
धीरज जी दीपक नाइट्रेट देखो आपका।
हाँ
देखिए पहले भाई आया मॉर्निंग के अंदर कल, एकदम लोएस्ट पे आया, ट्रेंड लाइन कंफर्मेशन, व्हाइट लाइन का कंफर्मेशन, ब्लू लाइन का कंफर्मेशन, बोलिंगर बैंड ब्रेक एंड ऑसिलेटर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग। Excellent move, it hit the target also. You are getting more points than what he is getting.
Correct.
And then you are also getting on the reverse side, which you can never dream of.
Correct.
See,
सर बट सर थोड़ा सा स्कैनर में देखो ना, स्कैनर में नहीं आ रहा है प्रॉपर्ली।
आएगा, स्क्रिप्ट लिस्ट में नहीं है ना अपने को, because we have not added these items.
Yeah, correct. These are the new stocks, correct.
These are
and 4 to 5 new stocks have more been added also, sir.
Yes.
In last 2 days.
Yeah, those scripts we have to add, and then see Deepak Nitrate not here. You see, you are getting it 100 points below, and that too 2-3 times. Just see here. See here.
Yes.
1577.
Sir, today Adani Port was a very good call. Huh?
Adani Port sell side, huh?
No, morning it was in buy, and then I sold it at 90. But actually I was on the way and it went down till 31 and again till 60.
Yes, 60. The downside was also good. I told you the message also. I don't know whether you have seen it or not, that you should have exited it yesterday itself. Yesterday or day before you telephoned me, na?
And sir, I have few messages who are buying from funds. They are telling that don't keep the position, any position in hold after 12 for tomorrow.
Because tomorrow is in any case expiry, na?
And they are telling to square off all the trades by 11:30 because after 12 there might be a fall, and this fall can go 500 points Nifty down.
Yes, may happen, may happen. We'll see Nifty. We'll see Nifty what it is showing. It might. It is not advisable to keep positions at these levels open unless you
Because
unless you are holding it for long term. Like say I am holding this Infibeam, Jayaprakash, all that. They are for long term, so we are not bothered. We can't keep on exiting and entering it every now and then. But Nifty and Nifty stocks, they must be careful. Bank Nifty and Nifty should be, especially Bank Nifty should be very careful.
Correct.
Because banks will be most affected first.
100% because a lot of EMIs have been bounced this time.
Yes. So naturally they will be, and the insurance companies must be flouted with the claims. They will not settle the claims also.
Correct.
So many people have died, lakhs of people have died, so they will have the claims now.
Right.
Correct.
So insurance companies will be badly affected with that. Of course, they will get good premium also, not that they will not, but the claims will be very high. So there is a possibility. Even options you could have got the good return today. You have seen it.
Sir, this one stock that Power Grid.
Power Grid.
Sir, Power Grid was excellent stock for today.
Power Grid is good, yes. Power Grid is good. Power Grid, REC, both are good. Why? Because their profits have increased tremendously, and see, this is RECD.
Okay.
But you see here, you are telling good now, but your system with you is telling buy at 135.
Correct. Yes.
That is the beauty, and maybe earlier, see, even earlier, you come to yellow 130, 130 and hold.
Nice. Sir, open this Power Grid also, no?
Power Grid, let me see. Power Grid may not be. You are sitting on the best system and you are expert in trading. Only thing is you are not able to give time to it. You just simply have to follow blindly this daily chart, yellow, and that's more than enough.
Actually, positional calls are very good.
That's what I am telling you. This is positional. The yellow daily is more or less positional. Only thing is you see that you don't short at the support. Don't short at the support. Don't buy at the resistance. That only two things you have to avoid in this.
Okay.
Because I have not restricted that. Why? Because if I restrict, then this, instead of getting the buy at 135, you will get the buy at 146. 10 rupees will go.
Okay.
So instead of that, when we are looking at the chart, we should look that the sale should not come near the support area. If it comes, we should avoid it. And the buy we should avoid at the top, at the resistance area.
Yes, correct.
And we should match with the oscillator.
Sir, same thing happened in Power Grid. Actually, I was holding at 48 rupees and I waited till 33 down. And today I again book profit cost to cost.
Power Grid has not been added to the list. Let me just check, add and show you.
How did it change?
Power Grid. We can thoda time nikalo every day. We can discuss lot. People can take benefit of your knowledge and expertise in execution, and other points can also be discussed. The doubts can be cleared. I don't mind spending 1 hour every day for everyone, because sometimes somebody will join.
Yes. Correct.
Because of their problems or. See that madam, both the madams have not joined today because one is sick and another is out. So they say Power Grid, where it has gone? It is there in the list. It is there in the list. Why it is not coming forward? Anyway, I'll see it from the cache if it is there. Because here I am not getting it. Maybe it is there in the all and not added. Yeah, it is there.
It will be in the watch list, sir.
Yeah, it is not added in the watch list.
Hmm.
You might have added it, but this is not added in my watch list. Because I had to limit the number of scripts, na? So I am keeping only the one which are having regular directional moves. So many of these scripts will not be there. They need to be updated every week, actually, tell you very frankly, because we don't know which week the particular script will start moving. So when they start moving, we have to add them. And some of them which are not moving, we have to remove them because there is no point in having more items. But Power Grid chart is not that good as REC.
Yeah, correct.
REC is very good. Power Grid, of course, it has broken now. It has broken all the levels and the up move is there. Last 3 days it is okay. Yesterday only it was slightly weak, but it is still above white line now and above the Bollinger Band. And the oscillator is very good. The oscillator is very strong from the last 3 days.
Yeah.
You could have entered in this, and even you got the signal in the gold daily. Yesterday.
Actually, sir, मैंने 48 में enter किया था 248.
Achha, you see, yesterday itself there was a big entry. I mean, day before yesterday. See here in gold hourly, if we scan it at 227, you are getting it. 227, 228, for which the target was also done that day. आप गोल्ड मॉर्निंग में स्कैन करो ना, गोल्ड 80 और 80 स्क्रिप्ट्स और सो.
और वो दिल्ली में सर?
नहीं, मॉर्निंग में गोल्ड में स्कैन करो. गोल्ड में ज्यादा बढ़िया.
नहीं, गोल्ड में आवरली या डेली?
पहले आवरली कर लो या पहले डेली कर लो. अगर डेली में नहीं आए तो आवरली कर लो. आवरली बहुत बढ़िया है गोल्ड.
लेकिन सर बहुत स्टॉक आ जाते हैं उस टाइम पे.
आवरली में बहुत नहीं आएंगे. अगर आप 140 लगाओगे तब बहुत आएंगे. 50 से 70-80 लगाओगे तो बहुत ज्यादा नहीं आएंगे. और आएंगे भी तो आपको तो मॉर्निंग में जो फर्स्ट आ रहे हैं ना, उनको पहले चेक करना है. अगर उसमें से अच्छे 4 मिल गए तो आपका काम हो गया ना. आप वरीड अबाउट ज्यादा आ रहे. ज्यादा माने आपको 3 बजे ज्यादा लगेंगे, क्योंकि 3:15 बजे 15 आइटम ऐड हो जाए. सपोज 15 फ्रॉम 9 to 10 15 items have come. The 15 more will be added as soon as at 3:15 when this star will come, which is of no use to us. I mean, it is of no significance to us, na? The list may look big, but it is actually not big. आप धीरज जी समझे क्या बात को मेरा?
हाँ सर.
वो लिस्ट आपको 15 आइटम ऐड हो जाते हैं. जितने मान लो 10 आइटम आए आपको 10 बजे तक, तो 10 जो आए उसका रिवर्स ट्रेड आएगा, स्टार आएगा, वो 3:10 पे या 15 मिनट पे आता है. तो वो लिस्ट में ऐड हो जाता है. तो अपने को लगता है बहुत ज्यादा अल्फाबेटिकल आता है, लगता है अरे बाई सेल आ रहा है, उसका प्राइस लॉस में दिखा रहा है, बट वो अपने लिए वैलिड नहीं है ना.
ओके.
That we have to give it for robo trading. Because of robo we have to give the exit, and that's how it is coming.
सर पहले वो टाइम पे आता था, उधर टाइम लिख के आता था 10:30, 11, 11:30. अभी सिर्फ टाइम एक ही आता है 9:15.
वो 9:15 इसलिए आता है क्योंकि वो EOD में लगाए तो 9:15 ही आएगा ना. वो सारा दिन का एक ही कैंडल होता है ना. अगर आप डेली का लगाएंगे तो दिन में एक ही कैंडल होता है, और कैंडल का स्टार्टिंग टाइम अपन लगा रहे हैं वहाँ पे सेटिंग में दिया हुआ अपना टूल के अंदर.
ओके. वो 10 मिनट्स वगैरह लगाएंगे तो ऐसा आएगा टाइम.
यस, 10 मिनट. देखो अभी लगा के देखते हैं. देखो 10 मिनट्स लगाने से आइटम कम लगाना बस. आप 10 मिनट्स लगा के देखो. 10 मिनट्स लगाया मैंने, और मैं गोल्ड लगाता हूँ चलो, या ये डायमंड ही लगाता हूँ चलो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई सा भी लगा सकते हैं. डायमंड लगाता हूँ 10 मिनट. डायमंड आपके पास नहीं है, ये मैंने नया थोड़ा दूसरा चेंज करके बनाया, अब भी बनाया.
ओके.
आज ही तैयार किया. ये बहुत अच्छा है. मैंने वो कैश डिलीवरी के लिए बनाया है. ये पोजीशन ट्रेड लेना हो ना कि ले लो क्वांटिटी और बैठ जाओ बस चुपचाप, उसके लिए. जैसे ये 35 लगाया, 10 मिनट्स लगाया, और ये डायमंड लगाया. डायमंड में तो ज़्यादा लगा सकते हैं एक्चुअली. 35 में तो कुछ आएगा ही नहीं शायद. हाँ, इट हैज़ कम स्टिल. सी अभी देखो इसमें अलग अलग टाइम आ गया ना. 9:15, 9:25.
Yes.
Because the time now, if I give 1 hour, because this gold is meant for 1 hour only, or diamond is also meant for 1 hour. If I took it 1 hour, I may not get, but if I get, it will be only one time. बिकॉज उसमें 1 घंटा का प्रोविजन है, आया ही नहीं इसको। 10 मिनट्स में करके देखते हैं। It is always good to take more script and higher time frame.
Correct.
But still the output should be less, so that your choice is there from variety of script. Wherever there is a movement, it is being caught, and the number of script which are coming is also reduced, and then it is easier to follow that. So that's why मैंने एक नोट भी बना के दिया था कि more the number of scripts, higher should be the time frame. See this Kotak.
पानी की बोतल भर दी है।
See this Kotak shot. Morning Kotak was good. Sorry, 10 minutes now. 10 minutes we have to go. No, it is not good because the first candle, second candle is not there, right? And then it is at the bottom side. We want short from the top side, resistance area.
Correct.
Resistance area, right? Then L&T short. L&T short was at middle. This is the target. So L&T target has been hit. Then your Pidilite buy is also okay.
Okay, yeah, correct.
It is okay. It is 925 second candle. So of course this is not hitting the rule, but you after this you can enter here. Some profit you would have got, not very. If it would have come here, then it would have been very good.
11 बजे क्या?
On the opening.
11 बजे.
No, it will stop. Yeah. It is running out of time. I think we have to close it down because the time is over. Zoom is saying close it. So anything left to discuss tomorrow?
Okay, sir.
अनिल जी आप अपने पॉइंट्स और नोट करके मेरे को भेज देना अगर आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो। ओके
सर कल मॉर्निंग में प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद कोई पॉइंट आते हैं तो आपसे फिर बात करते हैं मॉर्निंग में।
मॉर्निंग में बात करना तो मॉर्निंग में कोई ट्रेड में अटक गए हो तो मेरे को बात करना, अदरवाइज मैसेज कर देना और
ओके सर
करेंगे डिटेल में, है ना?
ठीक है बिल्कुल सर।
अक्षय एनी क्वेश्चन? Akshay, see the option trading also you should take care because options, when there is a good movement in the market, option gives very high return. So today it was giving 300% return in Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Yes sir, after 130 there is a बहुत अच्छा
तो ऑप्शन ही ट्रेड करना चाहिए। एक्चुअली मॉर्निंग में फर्स्ट आवर में फर्स्ट 15-20 मिनट्स के अंदर 9:15 है तो 9:25 तक आपका ट्रेड में एंट्री हो जाना जो होने का है, और वो ट्रेड फिनिश होने के बाद में आपको ऑप्शन पे ही कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में।
यस सर।
But tomorrow being Thursday you should not trade option because you should know how to write the option. Tomorrow is not for buying the option, for writing of the option.
अभी तो सर पेपर ट्रेडिंग चालू है, अभी तो 1-2 दिन और पेपर ट्रेडिंग करना भी तो
करो, आप ज्यादा करो पेपर ट्रेडिंग, पूरा बहुत अच्छी तरह समझ के करो। आपको एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दिया है ना तो आप चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो?
यस सर
ट्रेडिंग
जी बिल्कुल
ट्रेडिंग ही करो, अच्छी तरह करो। और आपका आज ट्रेड बहुत अच्छा था, यू हैव पॉइंटेड आउट अ गुड ऑप्शन ट्रेड व्हिच वाज गिविंग हाउ मच, 5 टाइम्स और 6 टाइम्स, 7 टाइम्स
सर, बाइंग एट 50 एंड द हाईएस्ट रेंज इज 480
my god, 9 times
buying. Yes sir, there is huge profit is there.
Yeah. But Akshay unfortunately missed today. Akshay, you should sit tight, don't trade, just look for an opportunity and then hammer it. Don't trade every time or every day, just wait for opportunity and make a killing out of it. Okay, then we close it. Thank you very much.
Oh, good night, sir.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Using Google Text to Speak.